Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the ONOAYO O3 4K Smart Projector, a compact device that comes Netflix licensed, supports 4K decoding and features native 1080p resolution with Dolby Audio. It promises a hassle-free streaming experience without any extra devices. So if you are considering it for the movie nights in 2026, you can just check out the link of it in the description box below. So on paper, the ONOAYO O3 looks very impressive. It offers the native 1080p resolution with 4K decoding support, meaning it can play 4K content but displays it in the full HD. The brightness is rated at 1000 ANSI lumens, which is solid for a projector in this size and in this price range. Indoors, the image looks very sharp and vibrant. The outdoors, it performs best after sunset. The built-in Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video support is also a major advantage. Unlike many budget projectors that require external streaming sticks, this one is officially licensed, so the applications runs smoothly without any workarounds. The setup is also very quick and user-friendly. It supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth electric focus, and 4D 4P keystone correction, making the image alignment simple without any manual adjustments. The zoom function also helps fine-tune the screen size without moving the projector. The audio performance is surprisingly strong thanks to the Dolby certified dual speakers. For small to medium rooms, you may not even need external speakers. The only downside that I can mention is the cooling fan noise is noticeable during the startup, though it becomes less distracting during the playback. Also, while it decodes 4K content, it doesn't output the native 4K, which may matter for the detailed focus viewers. The app selection is decent, but not as broad as some Android TV platforms. The build quality of the projector feels very sturdy and portable. Weight is under 2.5 pounds. That makes it very easy to move between the rooms to take the outdoors. So if you want a portable all-in-one projector with built-in Netflix, solid brightness and good sound, it's a convenient and well-rounded option. Just remember it's about versatility and not the high-end cinema replacement. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to check this product out, the link is in the description.